We'll guide you through how to fix the Bluetooth on or off button missing in Windows. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It is important to note though that you will need to have some sort of Bluetooth adapter installed, whether that be built into your motherboard or you can go and get an external one which you can plug in as a USB device as well. However, if you've previously had the on and off button and it's now disappeared, then let's get some fixes for that. So first of all, come to the bottom of your computer and click on search, and you want to type in device manager, just like so. And then what you want to do is go and locate Bluetooth. And then in Bluetooth, you may need to go and expand it. You need to go and find your adapter. So your adapter may be called something different to mine, but go and find it and go and right click on it like so. Now, as you can see, I've got the option for enable device. If yours says enable device, then this means it's currently disabled. However, if yours says disable device, it does mean it's already enabled. But yeah, go and enable it if you've got the option. It'll go and take a few seconds. And then if I come back to my settings, as you can see, I've now got the switch. So it may just be a case that it needs to go and be enabled and for some reason it's been disabled. Now, if it was already enabled or re-enabling it didn't go and fix the problem, then find the adapter and right click on it and click on properties. Then go and click on driver at the top and go over to the left and click on update driver. And then what you want to do is go and click on browse my computer for drivers and let me pick from a list. Now we've got these different options here. So what you can try doing is using the device driver. However, if you already have that selected and it isn't working, you could try the generic Bluetooth adapter or vice versa. Just try another one and see if that makes a difference. Press next, it'll then go and be installed. And then you can close this and come back to your Bluetooth settings and go and see if you can then go and turn it on or off. If that still isn't working, another thing we can do is just go and uninstall it and reinstall it. So to do that, in your Bluetooth list here, right click it, press uninstall device, press uninstall again, and it'll go and be uninstalled. Just like that, we've now gone and uninstalled it. And then what you can do to go and reinstall it is either go and restart your computer or just go to the top of device manager and click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. We'll go and take a few seconds and it should find it. As you can see, Bluetooth is now appeared. And then once again, come back here and go and see if you can then go and switch your Bluetooth on. Now, if that still isn't working, there may be some other drivers which you can go and download. So go and search for your motherboard manufacturer if your Bluetooth is built into your motherboard, or if you've got some sort of a dongle or like USB adapter, you can search that brand up and drivers as well. After doing some research, I found that a good driver is by Intel. So if you've got an Intel based system, you could try getting this. So search up Intel Bluetooth driver, just like so, and then go to the Intel website, Intel Wireless Bluetooth. Then what you can do is scroll down here and you can go and get the download. There's 64-bit and 32-bit, you can check, but my system is 64-bit and most systems will be, but it's worth checking that. Make sure you agree to the license agreement, I do, and now it will go and download. After it's finished downloading, find it in your file explorer or your browser. You'll get a Windows security pop-up which you need to agree to, and we can then go and install it. And just like that, it's now gone and finished. So if you've got an Intel based system, definitely try installing that, and hopefully that'll go and get you the Bluetooth on and off. As I said before, just make sure you've got all the drivers which may be needed. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.